Colombian cuisine is diverse, rich, and full of bold flavors. Its cuisine is influenced by indigenous cultures, European colonization, and African, Middle Eastern, and Asian immigrants. From street food to fine dining, Colombian cuisine offers a range of dishes that showcase the country's vibrant cultural heritage. In this article, we will explore some of the most popular dishes, ingredients, and cooking techniques that make Colombian cuisine so unique and delicious. Ingredients. Colombian cuisine features a range of fresh ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, meats, and seafood. Some of the most commonly used ingredients in Colombian cuisine include plantains. Plantains are a staple in Colombian cuisine and are used in a variety of dishes. They are similar to bananas but are larger and have a firmer texture. They can be cooked in a variety of ways, including frying, boiling, and baking. Beans. Beans are a staple in Colombian cuisine and are often used in soups, stews, and salads. Black beans and red beans are the most commonly used varieties. Corn. Corn is a staple in Colombian cuisine and is used to make arepas, tamales, and empanadas. It is also used in soups and stews. Meat. Beef, pork, and chicken are commonly used meats in Colombian cuisine. They are often grilled, roasted, or fried. Seafood. Colombia's long coastline means that seafood is a staple in the country's cuisine. Some of the most popular seafood dishes include ceviche, a dish made with raw fish marinated in citrus juice and spices, and fried fish with coconut rice. Popular dishes. Colombian cuisine features a range of delicious and unique dishes that reflect the country's diverse cultural influences. Here are some of the most popular dishes you should try when visiting Colombia. Arepas. Arepas are a staple in Colombian cuisine and are made from ground maize dough. They are typically grilled or baked and can be stuffed with a variety of fillings, including cheese, meat, and avocado. Bandeja paisa. Bandeja paisa is a hearty and filling dish that originated in the Andean region of Colombia. It includes rice, beans, avocado, fried plantains, and a variety of meats, including chorizo, pork, and beef. Empanadas. Empanadas are a popular snack in Colombia and are typically filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables. They are often fried and served with a side of ají, a spicy salsa made with chili peppers, onions, and cilantro. Sancocho. Sancocho is a hearty soup made with meat, potatoes, corn, and other vegetables. It is often served with a side of rice and avocado. Ajiaco. Ajiaco is a traditional soup that is popular in the Andean region of Colombia. It is made with chicken, potatoes, corn, and other vegetables, and is typically served with a side of rice and avocado. Cooking techniques. Colombian cuisine features a range of cooking techniques, many of which have been passed down through generations. Some of the most popular techniques include grilling.